Looking for colored fine liners for Mandala art? Here are 5 brands that you must try. At number 5, we have Stabilo .88 fine liner pens. Originated in Germany, these pens have a metal enclosed tip for a longer lifespan of the pens. With a 0.8 mm tip, one pen is priced at around 70 to 80 rupees on Amazon and is also available in a variety of packs of 10 to 40 pens priced in the range of 600 to 3000 rupees. At number 4, we have Chameleon fine liner pens featuring a fine point Japanese precision 0.3 mm metal clad tip. The best part about this brand is its color blending technology. So 6 fineliner pens in the floral color packs can create over 16 color blending combinations. One pen is priced at 100 rupees. At number 3, we have Brustrow colored fineliner pens. Made in Europe, these pens have a fiber nib encased in stainless steel holder with water-based non-toxic ink which does not bleed through. With a 0.4 mm fine tip, a pack of 12 pens is priced at 600 rupees on Amazon. At number 2, we have a hidden gem called Artline Supreme Fineliner pens. With a triangular body shape and 0.4 mm fine tip, these pens give a smooth and relaxed writing flow. The ink is water-based, doesn't bleed through paper, and is quick drying. These pens are available in packs of 20 and 30 pens priced in the range of 600 to 1200 rupees on Amazon. And at number 1, we have the most popular brand called Stellator Triplex Fineliner pens. These pens have a 0.3 mm fine point with dry safing, which means that it can be left uncapped for days without drying up. How amazing is that? These are available in packs of 6 to 36 pens priced in the range of 700 to 3000 rupees on Amazon. And if you want to learn Mandala art, DM to book a one-on-one workshop or check out Mandala kits and workbooks from the link in the bio.